This is Jeff Koehl, and welcome to a little profile on SPIROL. We started about 72 years ago at this point, and we started with just one product, and it was a very interesting start of our company. My grandfather started the company. He was an inventor in Germany, and he came over to the United States at an invitation from the US Air Force towards the end of World War II to work on the hollow jet turbine engine. He was a pretty proficient engineer, and in looking at the hollow jet turbine engine, he decided that there needed to be a better fastener. And being a natural inventor, he came up with that new fastener, which was the coiled spring pin. One of the things that we focus on is not only lowering the assembly cost for our customers and helping them become more competitive in their market space, but we're also focusing on looking at innovation and product design so that as our customers' requirements change over time and they're developing new technologies and new products, we're developing new products and new solutions in the solution space to help facilitate their new product design. So many of our products that we're offering now have been invented by us in the last 30 years as an extension of working with our customers to design solutions that will work for them. One of our new areas that we're really focusing on is the use of plastics. And of course, plastics have been around for ages, but performance plastics are really revolutionizing the replacement of metal and making the car much lighter, for example, or making components much lighter, which improves gas mileage. So we're focused on making sure that we design a fastener and an installation method that gets the components together quickly and stays together for the intended life of the assembly. So we have both the components, the fastening components, and the installation equipment. We're at the fastener show today with a couple of our manual machines, and we have a full range of machines that run from manual all the way up to semi-automatic, depending on the volume that the customer wants to assemble. And so here's an example of what we do. This is a customer's component, it's a handle. We actually don't manufacture the plastic. What we do manufacture is the metal pin that holds these two joints to articulating. This is another example of plastic in which we have to spot reinforce the places in the plastic component that need the strength of metal, but then allow the entire component to be moved to plastic. These are our metal compression limiters. And down in these locations here, we will install 4 brass or aluminum inserts to be able to hold the whole module together with a bolted joint. So this is a couple of applications. Here's another application. It's an electrical wire harness that has spot reinforcement to hold this wire harness in place without cracking the plastic. So if a customer puts a bolt through this and attaches it and gets a very secure joint that will not come loose with vibration, and yet the plastic won't crack. Thank you for joining us today and finding out more about SPIROL. If you'd like to learn even more, visit our website at spirol.com.